to hit it on the right side.
You're about to go over, yeah. Just stay on the brakes.
Yep.
Careful.
There you go.
Yeah, your diff's gonna clear it. You're all right. Body's gonna be all right too.
Will the diff clear this though?
Then
All
we'll
right.
clear the bottom one.
You're all right.
Yep.
Keep going.
Turn your wheel to the left a little bit.
You're gonna line up on their rocks.
Bring it straight. Your left side's gonna clear first. So come on. Keep going. Creep.
You're gonna feel the back start to drop.
All right, your left side's gonna drop.
Slow,
to the side.
slow, slow, slow.
Come left.
Fuck
Oh,
yeah.
you are almost bottoming out, man. All right.
Cut your wheel
This way.
right.
Go. Well, slowly.
Slowly crawl down.
Keep it straight. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see how your back end holds up. You got a fuel tank hanging out the back. That's what I worry about. Textbook.
Like a glove.
Beautiful. I clapped with my hands.